Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with a new video, especially for Christmas home decoration. You must like the video, so please stay tuned with us. Let's start. As you know, the holiday season is here, and what better way to celebrate than by decorating your home for Christmas? Christmas is not just about gift and celebration, it also about creating a warm, joyful, and welcoming atmosphere for family and friends. In this video, we will explore simple, creative, and affordable ways to decorate your home beautifully for the Christmas event. So don't waste and let's start. The centerpiece of every Christmas decoration is, of course, the Christmas tree. Whether you have a tall artificial tree, a real pine tree, or even a small tabletop version, you can make it shine. Start with the lights. Warm golden light create a cozy feeling, while multicolor lights add playful cheers. Next layer are ornaments, classic bubbles, handmade crafts, stars, bells, and even personalized decoration. Because don't forget a shiny topper like a star or an angel. You can also use a theme, for example, red and golden for a traditional look, silver and blue for a snowy winter vibe, or eco-friendly handmade ornaments for a rustic touch. Next, let's bring holiday charm to your door and walls. A Christmas wreath made of jute, pine cones, or greenery adds instant warmth to your entrance. You can decorate it with ribbon, berries, and even fairy lights. On the wall, hang garlands, stocking, or small craft made from fabric, wood, or popsicle stick. These little details fill every corner with the spirit of Christmas. The dining table is where families gather, so let's make it special. Use a festival tablecloth, candles, and centerpiece made of pine branches, flower or mason jar decoration, and smell ornaments, golden cutlery, or folded napkins with ribbon to create a warm holiday dining experience. A bowl of pine cones, dried oranges, or Christmas candy also make a simple yet eye-catching centerpiece. Christmas is all about warmth, so focus on lighting and cozy corner. Especially add fairy lights to windows, shelves, and even around picture frames. Use candle or lantern for a soft glow. Place cozy blanket, holiday pillow, or small fleece craft in your living room. You can also create a mini Christmas village with handmade house like little trees and snow made or cotton. These all details turn your home into a magical, wonderful, special land. Remember, the best decoration are ones that reflect you. Handmade craft, kids artwork, or DIY projects using recycled material bring you uniqueness and love to your home. For example, popsicle sticks, stars, fleece, Christmas tree, or handmade ornaments can look just as beautiful as store-bought items, and they carry special memories. So there you have it, easy and creative ideas to decorate your beautiful home for the Christmas event, your holidays, from the Christmas tree to wreath, cozy corner, and handmade craft. Every detail adds joy and magic to the season. These all details you can easily bought from the market and any store. Last and very important, must create your bedroom with your upcoming event Christmas. So decorate your home with candle lights, traditional bedsheet color like red, silver, black. Hang some lantern, fairy lights. Your dream bedroom ready to with upcoming winter Christmas event. Try a beautiful blanket, beautiful carpet, beautiful chairs, fabric, your sofa set. Make it with your recycling material, your fleece, your bedroom become a wonderland and eye-catching for everyone. Because I definitely sure you must like this video. If you like this video, so please must share your friends and family members and spread your ideas, your thoughts, how to decorate your home, your bedroom, your stairs, your walls. Very easy and uniqueness design. Because if you like our video, so please must subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon and must share your thoughts, your suggestion through comments. Your comments is very precious for us. We will work on it and make a video according to your desire and share with you. So please support our channel and stay tuned with us. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your holiday and your Christmas event. Stay blessed. Take care.